All right, now, this the real Stripper Diaries. I'm chilling. I think it has had its way with it. I don't want to be with it anymore. I'm outside chilling, making that bread, you feel me? Doing what I do. Yay, 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 yay. This is the healthy choice for me, baby. See, when I'm doing this, it's more peaceful to me than not. And I feel like this is my calling. And this is what I'm supposed to do, you know. Well, at least one of the things I'm supposed to do. Because, don't get me wrong, I got major talents, okay? Major talents. I'm just not using them right now. And I feel like now is the time to use my talents. So, this is an entry in Stripper Diaries. Because I freaking love to dance. I still love dancing, but let's give that a rest for the moment. You feel me? All right. Happy Saturday. Happy Sabbath, everybody.